So in this video, I'm going to explain you the iPhone setting reset. So when you reset setting on an iPhone, it can be a bit confusing. So since there are a different types of reset which affect the different part of your device. So here's the background for various reset option on your iPhone. So to find the reset option, go for your general here. So you have to go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, go for the general option, scroll down and go for your transfer or reset your iPhone. And here you can find the reset option, and here you can see the different reset option, which is reset all setting, network setting, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home layout, and location and privacy. You can see that. So reset all setting means that this reset all the system setting to their default state, which include the setting like Wi-Fi password, wallpaper, and app preference. However, it does not erase any data like photos, messages, or app. So resetting your network setting. So which is specially used for the setting related to your Wi-Fi cellular and VPN. So it will forget the saved Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth connection and VPN setting. So you can use it when you have trouble with connectivity. So for the keyboard dictionary. So this reset the keyboard custom dictionary which include the words you have added to autocorrect. So it will remove any personal text shortcuts you have made. So that's it. On the handwriting style, it will change your handwriting style to the default format. On the home screen layout, so which will restore the app icon and their layout to the default arrangement. So on your reset your location and privacy, it will all reset your location services and privacy setting to default. On a summary, this all reset feature as its own. So this all reset feature has its own setting. So you can see that. And here you can see the erase all content and setting. So it erases everything from your device, including apps, photos, music, and setting here. So it's like the wiping your device back to the factory setting. So you can see that here. You can see the difference between the reset and erase all content and setting. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.